guys! Welcome to Baby Tiger World's brand new YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do a beautiful light to hang above your bed. So if you want your night to be beautiful, let's get started. As you can see in front of your eyes, here are all the materials we're going to be using. Some wood, one pencil looking thingy, some glue, rubber bands and these little wood piecey thingies, some colorful paper and mini paper. So this is all the material we're going to be using. So now we're going to be starting with the wood and with these, because we need these to make this. So first of all, we need to make a star. How many points does a star have? Let's count together. So first we put the first two wood pieces like this. And then we put one oopsie, wanted to spin around. And then we put one wood piece over here. And the other wood piece like this. Then we're gonna take this wood piece, which is the last one, and the fifth one for this star. We're gonna place it right over here to close the edges. Now let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 points in a star. Now we need to take these rubber bands. First let's open this packet. First we're going to be using these rubber bands to keep these things together so that they won't collapse like an unstable building. So let's start with this edge and then this one, and we're going to be going in a circle until here. Ooh. I made 4 rubber bands up here. Now I just need to make the fifth one come. There it is. Finally you came too late. Now I'm going to be putting this, and then you're going to be seeing another twin of this little star. And one more. There we go. Now that she's all fixed, now I am going to be calling her friend Starry, which is gonna fall down from the sky. Hey Starry, it's time to come. Your friend's waiting. Oh, here you are. You came a bit late, but just on time. Now we're gonna be putting these 5 rubber bands again on the every edge, because after we're gonna be putting a few mini mans just like this one which came by. We're gonna be putting this here. So, and boom! There we go. Now we have both friends stick to each other. Now I'm going to be calling the 5 Men of Doom. Hello. There they are. One man by one. Oh, this one's standing, so let's take this one. There. There we go. This is how we need to put it on all 5 parts. Like this, it'll come out. So, now we need to decorate this beautiful star. I got this paper, but if you have any other papers, feel free to use them. Because I have this, I'm using this one. You can use whatever one. You can even draw one yourself. So, first we need to place it here, and then we cut it, and then we need to stick it with this glue. If you have other glues, feel free to use it. I have this, so I'm using it. Now that I'm done with cutting, I put the shape of the pentagon, and now, of a pentagon. Now I'm going to be sticking it with the glue. Just try. Now I'm gonna stick it like this. There. Every part of the star we need to do the same, and also behind. So we need to stick it in the shape. Here, because it was this shape, I cut it into this shape. And then we need to continue like this. Boom! So this is how my star came out. We also need to put this on the other side like how I did. You don't have to do the same, so feel free to choose your own kind of patterns. I choose it like this. So now we're going to be using tiny papers. And then we're going to be sticking it with the glue all around here. I'm going to show you guys how to do it first. There. Now we got all the paper and the pencil we need. So first we take this. First we take this. And then we put this in. And then crumble it like this. Like this. And then you put this on glue, or either you stick double tape everywhere and then you put it on it like this. Well, I did not stick tape yet, but it's your choice to choose glue or double tape. Well, both of them are okay. So, now that I crumbled it, I need to place it on the double tip like this. Like that. And then it comes to the next one. Wait. And then this one. This one, this part, and there. Like this, we have to continue until we finish. So basically, we need these things from here, 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 and here, so that this comes like an outline. There we go. It's already starting to look beautiful. Now, this side. Like this. This one over here, and this one, and this one, and this one goes over here. It's already making so much fun, guys. And there we go. Now we finished one side, and let's do the other. Almost there, and bam! We finished this. Now we're gonna fast forward it. Oof! There we go. We finally have finished the lamp. This is how it looks at the end. This is the front, and this is the back. And then if you want to add a touch of magic, there we go. It's a lamp. So if you guys have a light, you guys can also put it. If you want, you can also replace this woody thing with this. Because I have this, I used it. And there we go. We have our own lamp. And this, we can do it on our own whenever we want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more like this DIY crafts, hit the subscribe button down below and the like and share it so that all the others can also do fun activities with your friend Baby Tiger. So this is Baby Tiger signing off. Bye. Love you all.